Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, we got a super awesome watch face for you all to check out by my man OW. He's still bringing the noise with these nice, awesome casual watch faces. Now this one is nice. The name of it is called OW Fitness Project. Now in AOD mode, at least for the Gears 3, it is going to give you a nice digital time with a black background. Now I don't know quite how it's going to look on the Gears 3, but I'm going to guess it's going to look just like the watch face when it's on. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, this has a lovely look. Again, for a casual watch face, this is nice. I like the detailing. I like the design. I love the uniqueness of this watch face. Now, in the center, of course, you're going to get your month, digital time, 24-hour digital time, animated seconds. You're going to get the day of the week and your date. And I like the fact that it's centered. Everything is grouped together. Over here, that's going to represent your battery info with these little LEDs right here. You're going to get your step info as well, miles walked or ran. On this side, you're going to get your heart rate information, calories burned, floors climbed. So you're going to get everything you need for your step status all in one place, and you'll be able to see everything at a glance. Now, if I tap right here, I will be able to get calories burned information, steps, floors climbed, my sleep info, everything that has to do with your step status is right there. And if I tap in the center, I will be able to set an alarm as well. Now, I can customize the color theme of the watch face, and I can pretty much almost tap anywhere. So if I double tap, I could change the color theme to several different colors, which isn't bad at all. I thought, again, the developer really did a nice job with this one. So I'm giving him 3 thumbs up in the door. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this super awesome watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have fun with family and friends. And I'll see you all at the next one. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.